Our gospel calls us to provide a safe environment for children and youth in our communities so that they can thrive. The Be Safe program provides such an opportunity for over 600 kids each summer. And in addition, nearly 1,000 volunteers from 55 Episcopal congregations find their own lives transformed through relationships they build with youth, making lunches, reading and playing games together, and chaperoning field trips. Gifts to the annual fund make all of this possible.
I'm blessed to be a part of the Life Together community, as 24 of my fellow interns and I seek justice and help to bring forth God's dream for this world. Your gift to the annual fund allows us to become servant leaders who will bear witness in those places where the peace and love of God are needed the most.
Christmas is a time of joy and celebration, of love and hope. I hope that you have received the annual fund appeal. We hope that you will give to it as God has given to you generously, that your hope and your love and your mercy will help touch the lives of so many. May you, in the season of receiving the gift of God's love, give that gift to others. Please give to the annual fund.